Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to restart the start menu in Windows 10. So if you're coming into an issue where you have to restart the process of the start menu, Windows 10 has now created its own process for the start menu referred to as the Start Menu Experience Host. This is different from the explorer.exe process now. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by right clicking on the taskbar in a blank spot and then just select Task Manager as you normally would. So now on the left side here, just underneath process you want to scroll down until you see start, and this is all it is. So you go ahead and right click on it and then you can end the task. So go ahead and right click on it and select end task. Or you can select this button down here as well to end the task, and you can see it will be automatically restarted. So definitely a cool little feature to know about here, guys. I'm going to close out of here, and that should be about it. So I do hope that this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.